So you open CapCut, ready to edit your next viral videos, and boom, your footage is blurry, stuttering, or worse, it won't even import. But here's the thing, CapCut can't fix a bad source. That's where these tools come in. These tools are like your pre-editing toolbox. They clean, boost, and prep your footage so you spend less time fixing and more time creating. Next, let me walk you through some powerful tools I personally recommend. First up, AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. This one is an absolute lifesaver for blurry or low-quality footage. It uses AI to enhance your video's sharpness and detail. Think of it like giving old, grainy clips a 4000 makeover. In the new version, it also updated the video blur and video stabilization feature. As an advanced AI video upscaling software, AVCLabs AI Video Enhancer integrates a full suite of specialized models, so you can apply the right algorithm to the right job, with no need for external tools. Next is any video converter, also known as AVC. Ever had a video that just won't import into CapCut? Or one that's way too big to edit on your phone? This tool can convert almost any video format, MKV, MOV, even HEVC 4000 into CapCut-friendly MP4s. You can also compress giant files into lightweight versions without destroying the quality. If you are also troubled by the material such as freezing, blurring, and crashing in editing, you might as well try the tools introduced today. What is the most common editing problem you encounter? Tell me in the comment area, and I will help you solve it in the next video. Don't forget to like plus subscribe. See you next time.